Welcome to BGS College Mathematics video classes. Today I am going to solve simultaneous linear differential equations problems. First question, dx by dt minus y is equal to t, dy by dt plus x is equal to 1. Here dx by dt minus y, so y into dx minus y is equal to t. This equation we call as number 1. This one is x plus dy is equal to 1. This equation we call as number 1, where d is equal to d by dt. Dx by dt can be written as dx minus y is equal to t. X, first I am writing x plus dy is equal to 1. Here equation 1 multiply by d. Therefore, here d squared x dy derivative of t, derivative of t is 1, derivative of t, d means dx by dt, derivative t with us d by dt of t is 1. So, this equation we call as number 3. Adding 2 plus 3. So, here we get x plus d squared x dy gets cancels, we get 2, 1 plus 1 2. So, d square plus 1 of x is equal to 2. Auxiliary equation is m square plus 1 is equal to 0, m squared is equal to minus 1, m is equal to plus or minus root of minus 1, m is equal to plus or minus I. So, here xc, c1 cos t, c2 sin t. Next, xp particular integral 1 by d square plus 1 into 2. So, here xp is equal to 2 into 1 by d square plus 1 e power 0 into t, because 1 can be written as here e power 0 into t. So, 2 into 0 plus 1 into 1. So, we get 2. Therefore, solution is x is equal to xp plus xp. So, here c1 cos t, c2 sin t plus 2. Here replacing 0 by replacing d by m. Here m is equal to 0. Here m is equal to 0. Consider dx minus y is equal to t. So, dx minus t is equal to y is equal to d of x means c1 cos t, c2 sin t plus 2 minus t. So, y is equal to, what is the derivative? So, I am considering this equation dx minus y is equal to t. Interchange LHS to RHS, RHS to LHS, we get plus t becomes minus t, minus y becomes plus y into d of x is nothing but c1 cos t plus c2 sin t plus 2 t I am writing as it is. So, derivative of cos t is minus sin t, derivative of sin t is cos t, derivative of 2 is 0. So, solution is y is equal to minus c1 sin t plus c2 cos t minus t. That's all. T is equal to 3x plus 2y, dy by dt 5x plus 3y is equal to 0. So given equation dx by dt 3x plus 2y, this implies d minus 3 of x minus 2y is equal to 0. This equation we call as number 1. This one transform RHS to LHS, we get d minus 3 of x minus 2y. Next, dy by dt plus 5x plus 3y is equal to 0. So 5x d plus 3 of y is equal to 0. This equation we call as number 2. So here equation 1 multiply by d plus 3. Equation 1 multiply by d plus 3. So here d minus 3 d plus 3 of x 2 of d plus 3 of y is equal to 0. This equation we call as number 3. So I am multiplying by equation 1 multiplying by d plus 3. Next, equation 2 multiply by 2. So 10x 2 of d plus 3 of y is equal to 0. This equation we call as number 4. Add 3 plus 4. Add 3 plus 4. So here we get d square d into d squared minus 9 plus 10 of x. I am taking x as common. D squared minus 9 plus 10 from these two terms. I am multiplying d squared minus 9 plus 10. I am taking x as common. 2 of d plus 3 of y plus 2 of d plus 3. 2 of d plus 3 of y is equal to 0. These two terms gets cancelled. So here we get 0. So d squared plus 1 of x is equal to 0. Therefore, auxiliary equation m squared plus 1 is equal to 0. So m squared is equal to minus 1, m is equal to plus or minus root of minus 1, m is equal to c1 cos t c2 sin t. c1 cos t c2 sin t, because here this one is imaginary roots. Sorry, here this one is x. Solution is next. Consider d minus 3 minus 2y is equal to 0. dx minus 3x is equal to 2y. So 2y is equal to dx. d of x means c1 cos t c2 sin t 3. c1 cos t c2 sin t. I am considering this equation d minus 3 of x minus 2y is equal to 0. Here we have to find out y. So 2y, what's the derivative of this one? Minus c1 cos t derivative sin t. Sin t derivative cos t. 3c1 cos t. 3c2 sin t. So y is equal to 1 by 2 of from this two term, if we take c1 common, minus sin t minus 3 cos t. If we take c2 as common, cos t minus 3 sin t. So here this is the solution. Solution y is equal to 1 by 2 c1 minus sin t minus 3 cos t. If we take c2 common, cos t minus 3 sin t. This is the required solution of the given problem. So given that dx by dt plus 2x 3y is equal to t. T plus 2 of x minus 3y is equal to 2. This equation we call as number 2. D plus 2 of x. Next, minus 3x dy by dt plus 2y e power 2t minus 3x plus t plus 2 of y e power 2t. This equation we call as number 2. Here equation 1 multiply by d plus 2. This equation I am multiplying by d plus 2. I am eliminating y term. First balance y term. Equation 1 multiply by d plus 2. So here d plus 2 into d plus 2 of x 3 d plus 2 of y. So here t plus 2 of t, derivative of t is 1 plus 2t. Derivative of t is 1 2t. 1 plus 2t. This equation we call as number, sorry, for simplify. So here equation 2 multiply by 3. So here we get minus sin x 3 of d plus 2 of y 3 e power 2t. So this equation we call as number 2. This one we call as number 3. Next, 3 plus 4. Add these two. D plus 2, D plus 2, D plus 2 into D plus 2, D plus 2 whole square minus sin of x. I am adding these two, D plus 2 whole square minus sin of x. I am taking x as common from these two terms. Here 3 of d plus 2y, here minus, here plus of 3 of d plus 2y gets cancelled. So here we get 1 plus 2t 3 power 2t. So here d square 4d plus 4 3 e power 2t plus 1 2t. So d square 4d minus 5 of x e plus 1 plus 2t. Therefore, auxiliary equation is m square 4m minus 5 is equal to 0. This implies m square 4m is equal to 5. M square 4m plus 4 add by 4. So here we get m plus 2 whole square 9. This implies m plus 2 is equal to plus 7 minus 3. Therefore, m plus 2 is equal to 3, m is equal to 1, m plus 2 is equal to minus 3, m is equal to minus 5. Next, x c1 e power t, c2 e power minus t. xp 1 by d square 4t minus 5 3 power 2t 1 plus 2t. Next, xp d square 4d minus 5 3 power 2t 1 by minus 5 d square plus 4d of 1 plus 2t. Interchange denominator term. So here xp is equal to 3 into replacing d by 2. So 4 into 2 8 minus 5 e power 2t. If we take minus 5 common, 1 minus of d square plus 4d of y, 1 plus 2t. So here xp 3 divided by 8 minus 5 3, replacing here in first step, in first term replacing d by m is equal to 2 here in first term. So here we get 3 by 7 e power 2t minus 1 by 5 1 plus d square plus 4d of 1 plus 2t. Because the reason we know that 1 minus x, 1 plus x, x square, etc. I am using binomial expansion. So xp 3 by 7 e power 2t 1 by 5 1 plus 2t 1 by 5. So 1 plus 2t, differentiate this one to 0 to d squared, we get 0, 0 4 into 2. So here xp is equal to 3 by 7 e power 2t 1 by 5. So 1 by 2t plus 8 by 5. Otherwise simplify this one, 5 plus 8 13 by 5 plus 2t. So here we get this one. So this implies xp is equal to 3 by 7 e power 2t 13 by 25 minus 2t divided by 5. Solution, x is equal to xc plus xp. C1 e power t, C2 e power 5t, 3 by 7 e power 2t, 2 by 5, 13 by 25. So this is the solution. Next here consider d plus 2 of x minus 3y is equal to t. This implies dx plus 2x minus t is equal to 3y. So 3y is equal to, or derivative of this one, 3y is equal to, or derivative, or differentiate this one, c1 e power t minus 5 c2 e power 5t, 2 into 3, 6 by 7 e power 2t minus 2 by 5, 0. Next to 2x, 2c1 e power t, next to 2c2 e power minus 5t, 6 by 7 e power 2t, 40 by 5, 26 by is minus t is equal to 3y. Therefore, y is equal to 1 by 3 of this total term right down. This is the required solution of the given problem. Solve d minus 7 of x plus y is equal to 0 minus 2x d minus 5 of y is equal to 0. So here this equation we called as number 1, this one is 2. So equation 1 multiply by d minus 5 Therefore d minus 5 d minus 7 of x d minus 7 of y is equal to 0. This equation we got as number 3. Subtract these two. See, if you multiply by d minus y, here we get d minus 5 of y, here also d minus 5 of y. I am trying to eliminating y term. So here subtract 3 minus 2, d minus 5, d minus 7, minus of minus plus 3 minus 2, minus of minus plus, I am taking x as common. So this two term gets cancels, d minus 5 of y gets cancels. So here d squared 7d 5d 35 plus 2 of x is equal to 0. So here d squared 12d 37 of x is equal to 0. So here auxiliary equation is m square 12m plus 37 is equal to 0. So here m square 12m. So here I am taking 36 plus 1 is it true? M minus 6 whole square a square b square 2ab. 37 can be written as 36 plus 1. So a square b square 2ab 2 into m into 6 12m is equal to, instead of this one I am taking m minus 6 whole square plus 1. So m minus 6 whole square is equal to minus 1. M minus 6 is equal to plus or minus root of minus 1. So 6 plus or minus I. Therefore solution is e power 60 c1 cos t c2 sin t, because we know that formula alpha plus or minus I beta imply e power alpha t c1 cos t cos beta t c2 sin beta t. I am using this formula. Alpha is 6, beta is 1. Next, here consider equation 1 d minus 7 x plus y is equal to 0. So here y is equal to 7x minus 7x minus dx. So y is equal to 7 e power 60 c1 cos t c2 sin t plus derivative of this one. I am using product of first function into derivative second, minus c1 sin t plus c2 cos t plus, I am using product rule here, first into derivative second, minus c1 cos t derivative minus sin t, minus c1 sin t c2 cos t, first into derivative second, plus second into c1 cos t c2 sin t e power 60 derivative 6 e power 60 e power 60. So here y is equal to, if we take e power 60 as common, so here we get 7c1 cos t 7c2 sin t minus into minus minus into minus plus c1 sin t minus into plus minus c2 cos t minus c1 cos t minus 6c1 minus 6c2 sin t. So y is equal to e power 60 here. Observe this one. If you take C1 common, 7 cos t plus sin t minus 6 cos t. I am taking C2 common. So here 7 sin t cos t 6 sin t. So e power 60 C1 7 cos t minus 6 cos t sin t 7 sin t minus cos t. So this is the required solution of the given problem. Solve d squared minus 3d of x minus d minus 2 of y is equal to 14 plus 7 d minus 3 of x plus d y is equal to 1. This equation we got as number 1, this one is 2. Equation 1 equation 2 multiplied by d. So d squared 3d of x d squared y, derivative of 1 is 0. This equation we got as number 3. 1 plus 3. Multiplying equation 2 by d squared 3d. Subtract these two. Otherwise 3 minus 1, if you take like this, here 3 minus 1, so these two terms gets cancels, d square minus of minus plus d minus 2 of y. So 0 minus minus 14t minus 7. 14t minus 7. I am subtracting 3 minus 2. These two terms here d square minus 3d x, here these two terms gets cancels, d square I am subtracting 3 minus 1 minus of minus plus d minus 2. So here auxiliary equation is m square m minus 2 is equal to 0. M square, here if you take like this, 2m minus m minus 2. 2m can be written as 2m minus, here instead of m I am taking 2m minus m. So here if you take m as common, so m plus 2, m of m plus 2, if you take minus 1 as common, minus 1 of this way. Again from this two term, if we take m plus 2 as common, so m minus 1. So here we get minus 2, 1. m plus 2 is 0, m is equal to minus 2, m minus 1 is equal to 0, m is equal to 1. These two are real roots. So we know that. YC C1 2t e power minus 2t, C2 e power t. YP t square d minus 2 otherwise this can be written as like this, minus 2 d square plus d minus 14 minus 7. I am interchanging here this factor minus 2 d square plus d. Here yp is equal to, if we take minus 2 as common, we get 1 minus d square plus d of 2. So minus 14 minus 7. So here we get yp is equal to 1 by 2 of 1 minus d square plus d minus 2. Here this negative sign multiply here, 14t plus 7. 1 by 2 1 plus d square plus d plus 2. I am using binomial expansion. We know that 1 minus x is equal to 1 plus x square, etc. Here I am using binomial expansion. So 1 by 1 minus of d square plus d by 2. This one is of the form 1 by 1 minus x. If it is in the form here binomial expansion formula 1 plus x squared, etc. 1 plus x I am taking 1 by 2 multiply this one 14t plus 7 1 by 2 d square plus d of 14t plus 7 1 by 2 14t plus 7 1 by 2 14t plus 7. What is the derivative? 14 into 1 0 d squared, we get 0. So this becomes 0. D squared of 14 plus 7 is nothing but 0. D of 14 plus 7 is derivative of this one is 14. So here 1 by 2 14t plus 7 14 by 2 means 7. So 1 by 2 14t plus 14. So here we get 7t plus 7. So yp. So complete solution is y is equal to yc plus yp. Yc c1 e power minus 2t, c2 e power 60, yc, yp 70 plus 7. So complete solution. Here solution is y is equal to yc plus yp. Next we have to find out x. So here y is equal to this one. If you take like this, we don't know. Or d minus 3 of x, dy is equal to 1. Same way we have to eliminate. We know that here y solution, if we take y, here also we get there is a problem x of t minus 3. In this particular case, equation 1 eliminate y. So equation 1 multiply by d. So we get d cube 3d square of x minus d of d minus 2 of y. So we get 14 because the derivative of this one 14 into 1 0 14. Next equation 2 multiply by d minus 2, d minus 2. So d minus 2 d minus 3 of x plus d of d minus 2 of y. So derivative of 1 is 0. So this equation 3 4. So here 4, this equation we got as number 5. So here 4 plus 5. This equation I am trying to eliminate y. This equation multiply by d. So d cube 3d square d of d minus 2 of y. So derivative of this one means 14 into 1 0. So 14 itself. Equation 2 multiply by d minus 2, d minus 2 d minus 3 of x d of d minus 2 of y. Derivative 1 is 0. Add these two. So d cube 3d square plus d minus 2 d minus 3 of x is equal to, here this two term gets cancelled, we get 14. Next, d cube 3d squared or d squared minus 3d minus 2d plus 6 of x is equal to 14. So, d cube 2d squared 5d plus 6 of x is equal to 14. Next, by synthetic division, I am taking 1 d cube multiply this one d squared minus 3d minus 2d plus 6 d cube minus 3d square plus d square means 2d square minus 5d plus 6. So, here 1 minus 2 minus 5 6. Here if we take 1 here we get first term write down as it is 1 into 1 1 minus 1 minus 6 we get 0. So, this becomes here d squared minus d minus 6. If we take minus 2 we get 4 6. I am taking minus 2. So, minus 2 minus 3 plus 6 0. So, here depressed equation is d plus 1 d minus 2 d minus 3 of x is equal to 14. Therefore, auxiliary equation is m plus 1 m minus 2 m plus 2 this one is m minus 3 is equal to 0. So, here this one is d minus 1. D minus 1 means d is equal to 1. Here this one is d plus 2 means d is equal to minus 2. So, d minus 3 are this one. So, here this one is d minus 1. So, solution m is equal to 1 minus 2 3. 1 minus 2 3. So, m here d is equal to 1 means d minus 1 factor. D is equal to minus 2 means d plus 2 is factor. Here 1d minus 3. So, here so xc means c1 e power t, c2 e power minus 2t, c3 e power 3t. xp. So, here we get d cube 2d square 5d plus 6 14 into e power 0 t. 14 can be written as 14 into 1. So, 14 into e power 0 t. 1 can be written as e power 0 t. Therefore, xp is equal to 14 0 0 0 plus 6. That's all. Therefore, this implies xp is equal to 7 by 3. So, solution is x is equal to xc plus xp. So, xc c1 e power t, c2 e power minus 2t, c3 e power 3t plus 7 by 3. Here 14 by 6 is nothing but 7 by 3. This is the solution of the required problem. Solve d cube minus d of y e power x plus e power minus x d squared minus 2t plus 1 of y is equal to this. So, first one given equation is d squared minus 1 of y e power x e power minus x. Auxiliary equation m of m squared minus 1 is equal to 0. So, m is equal to 0 1 minus 1. So, yc c1 e power t, c2 e power minus t. C1 e power 0 t means 1 itself. Next yp d of d squared minus 1 e power x e power minus x. Next yp d plus 1 d minus 1 e power x d of d squared minus 1. So here this can be written as d plus 1 d minus 1 e power minus x. So yp replacing d by 1 into 2 1 plus 1 2. So here 1 factor is 0 because replacing d by 1 minus 1 0 1 factor is 0. If it is 1 factorial 0, we know that there is a formula x by 1 factorial. Here minus 1, here minus 1, minus 1 minus 1 minus 2. Here 1 factor is 0, minus 1 plus 1 gets cancelled 0. So x by 1 factorial. Here replacing d by 1, replacing d by minus 1. 1 factor is 0, with this imply x by 1 factor. In denominator 1 factor is 0 in both the terms, that's why I am taking x by 1 factor. So yp is equal to, so here half x x by 2 means x itself. Therefore complete solution y is equal to yc plus yp. So c1 c2 e power t c2 e power minus t plus x. Second question. So actually so t square, this can be written as d minus 1 whole square of y e power x cos x. Second question. D squared minus 2t plus 1 can be written as d minus 1 whole square. So actual equation m minus 1 whole square is equal to 0, imply m is equal to 1 1. So here yc c1 c2 x e power x, because two real roots are repeated twice. So c1 c2 of x e power mx means 1x. So yp d minus 1 whole square e power x cos x. So replacing d by d plus 1, procedure replacing d by d plus m. So d plus m means m is equal to 1 here. So 1 1 gets cancelled. So yp e power x. So 1 by d into 1 by d cos it here. 1 by d squared can be written as 1 by d into 1 by d. So e power x 1 by d. What's the derivative of cos? Sin. Next to sin minus cos. Derivative integral of sin is minus cos x by p. Therefore complete solution y is equal to yc plus yp. So here c1 c2x e power x cos x. This is the required solution of the given problem. E square 2t plus 4 of y e power x cos x. First question. So auxiliary equation is m square 2m plus 4 is equal to 0, m square 2m plus, replacing d by m, we get m square minus 2m plus 4. This equation we called as auxiliary equation. M square minus 2m. 4 can be written as, instead of 4 I am writing 1 plus 3. So here m squared minus 2m plus 1 can be written as m minus 1 whole square plus 3 is equal to 0. So m minus 1 whole squared is equal to minus 3. m minus 1 is equal to plus or minus root 3. So m is equal to 1 plus or minus I root 3. Next here yc. So e power t, e power x, c1 cos root 3x, c1 sin root 3x. Because alpha plus or minus I beta is nothing but e power alpha x, c1 beta x, c2 sin beta x. So here alpha is 1, beta is root 3. Yc, yp 1 by d square 2d plus 4 e power x cos x. So yp, your role is here product of two function. Here exponential is first function, cos x is second function. Here this one is product of two function. We know that in case of product of two function, there is a rule replacing d by d plus m. M is nothing but 1. So here d plus 1 whole square minus 2 of d plus 1 plus 4 e power x into cos x. Rule is replacing d by d plus m. M is nothing but 1 because here multiple is 1. So here yp e power x. After replacement I am shifting this side. Expand this one, d square 2d plus 1 minus 2d minus 2 plus 4 cos x. 2d that cancels. E power x d square 1 plus 4 5, 5 minus 2 3 cos x. So yp e power x. Here rule in case of trigonometric function sin or cos, rule is replacing d square by minus m square. So replacing d squared by minus m squared minus 1. So minus 1 plus 3 cos x. Therefore yp 1 by 2 e power x cos x. So complete solution y is equal to yc plus yp. So y is equal to yc is what? E power x c1 cos root 3x, c2 sin root 3x. This is the here this one is yp, yc, yp half e power x cos x. This is the solution of the required problem. Next to part 2 question. Second one, d squared minus 4t plus 4. This came written as d minus 2 whole squared of y e power minus 4x 5 cos 3x. Auxiliary equation m minus 2 whole square. This implies m is equal to 2. Therefore yc c1 c2x e power 2x. These two are real roots repeated twice. In case of repeated roots procedure, c1 plus c2 x e power mx. Mx is nothing but m is 2 yp. So yp t minus 2 whole square e power minus 4x 5 cos 3x. So yp 1 by d minus 2 whole square e power 4x 5 into this one is d minus 2, expand this one d square 4d plus 4 cos 3x. Here in first term d minus 2 factor write down as it is, in second term expand that one, because there is a trigonometric function. In case of trigonometric function, rule is replacing d squared by minus m squared. So yp, this one replacing d by m means minus 4 minus 2 4 square e power 4x 5 into replacing d squared by minus m square minus sin 4d plus 4 cos 3x, replacing d by minus 4 in first term. In second term, replacing d squared by minus m squared. Minus m squared means m is 3 minus 9. So here yp 36 e power 4x, so 5 into 1 by, so minus 5 minus 4d cos 3x. If we take minus sign common, so 5 plus 4d. Next yp 1 by 36 e power minus 4x 5 into plus into minus minus 4d plus 5. Here trigonometric function, there is a cos 3x, so there is no d square term in denominator, so that is a small adjustment for the sake of our convenience. So multiply and divide by 4d minus 5, multiply and divide by 4d minus 5. So here yp 1 by 36 e power minus 4x, so 5 half 4d minus 5 16d squared minus 25 cos 3x. So yp 1 by 36 e power minus 4x minus 5 4d minus 5, replacing d, replacing d squared by minus m squared means minus 9. So yp 1 by 36 e power 4x, so here minus into minus plus 5 divided by, so 144 25 169. Differentiate this one, 4 into what's the derivative of cos 3x, minus 3 sin 3x 5 cos 3x. So yp 1 by 36 e power 4x 5 by 169 12 sin 3x 5 cos 3x. Therefore complete solution is y is equal to yc plus yp. Here we know that yc c1 plus c2 of x e power 2x, here write down, and yp. Substitute for yp and yc and yp. Here we get required solution of the given problem. So solve x squared d squared minus 3xd plus 4 of y is equal to x squared. So given equation is x squared d squared 3xd plus 4 of y is equal to this one. Take that is equal to log x, imply therefore xt d1 x square d1 square d1. So equation 1 becomes d1 square d1 3d1 plus 4 of y e power 2z. d1 square 4d1 plus 4 of y e power 2z. Therefore, auxiliary equation m minus 2 cos squared is equal to 0, m is equal to 2. Therefore, yc c1 c2 z e power 2z. Next, yp d minus 2 cos square e power 2z. So yp in this particular case, if you replacing d by 2, 2 minus 2 gets cancelled, something by 0 is infinity. So particular integral doesn't exist. That's reason e power 2z z square divided by 2 factorial, because 2 factor is 0. That's reason. So yp is equal to 1 by 2 z square e power 2z. Therefore, complete solution is y is equal to yc plus yp. yc c1 c2 z e power 2z 1 by 2 z square e power 2z. c1 c2 that is nothing but log x. So x squared is equal to e power 2z. E power 2z means x squared. Next, 1 by 2 log x whole square into x square. This is the required solution of the given problem. Solve x cube d cube y divided by dx cube plus x dy by ds minus y is equal to 3x to the power of 4. So given equation is x cube d cube xt minus 1 of y dx to the power of 4. Take that is equal to log x. This implies x is equal to e power z. Therefore, xt is equal to d1 x cube d cube is nothing but d1 square of d1 minus 2, where d is equal to d by dx and d1 d by dz. Equation 1 becomes d1 square d1 minus 2 d1 minus 1 of y 3 e power 4 z. Because x to the power 4 means e power 4 z. Simplify this one. d1 cube d1 cube 2d1 square minus d1 square plus 2d1 d1 minus 1 of y 3 e power 4 z. So d1 cube 3d1 square 3d1 minus 1 of y 3 e power 4 z. So d1 minus 1 whole cube of y 3 e power 4 z. So a cube minus b cube minus 3 a squared b, next 3 ab squared. Therefore, auxiliary equation is m minus 1 whole cube is equal to 0, m is equal to 1, 1, 1. Here 1, 1 repeated 3 times. Therefore, in this particular case, yc c1, c2z, c3z square e power c. Here 3 roots are real roots repeated 3 times this one. So, in case of 3 repeated real roots, formula c1 plus c2x plus c3x squared. Here instead of x I am taking z, c1, c2z, c3z square e power mx. M is nothing but 1. Next yp 1 by d1 minus whole cube 3 e power 4z. So, yp is equal to 3 into 4 minus 1 whole cube e power 4z. Replacing d by m. M is nothing but 4. So, here we get yp 3 divided by 3 cube. 3 cube means 27 e power 4z. 1s are 9s are. Yp 1 by 9 e power 4x. So, complete solution y is equal to yc plus yp. So, yc means c1, c2z, c3 z squared e power z 1 by 9 e power 4 z, sorry. Here this one is z e power 4z e power 4z. So, here y c1 c2 z means log x, c3 z squared means log x whole squared e power z means x, because e power z is nothing but x plus 1 by 9 x to the power of 4. This is the required solution of the given problem. Thank you for all students.